Experiencing login problems with your Simple Mobile account? You're not alone. Many users face issues, especially after recent app updates designed to enhance security. For password resets, check your spam or junk folders, as carrier spam filters sometimes block the reset emails or SMS. Navigate to the Forgot Password option on the Simple Mobile app or website and follow the prompts. Consider using password managers like LastPass or Bitwarden to help make the process easier. If using app-based 2FA like Google Authenticator, ensure your device's time is synchronized, as time sync errors can cause code invalidation. If SMS-based 2FA isn't working, Simple Mobile recommends switching to the app-based method for better security due to vulnerabilities such as SIM swap attacks. Simple Mobile has updated their troubleshooting guides, including an AI-driven chatbot, on their support page at simplemobile.com/support, which can help reduce troubleshooting time. Another frequent cause of Simple Mobile login problems is related to your device's cache. The cache stores temporary data to speed up loading, but outdated or corrupted files can lead to login failures, session timeouts, or infinite loading screens. Clearing your app and browser cache can often resolve these issues. For the Simple Mobile app, go to Settings, Apps, Simple Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. For browsers like Chrome or Safari, access developer tools, usually by pressing F12, or go to Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data. Regularly clearing your cache is crucial maintenance, especially with aggressive caching in modern browsers. Keep your app up to date, as app updates like version 5.2.1 often include bug fixes and security enhancements. If problems persist, ensure that your device meets Simple Mobile's system requirements.